Okay, so Google Meet, if you look up in your Google Apps right up here, and then drop down, scroll down, it's right here. So when you do that, you hit join or start meeting. I've never put in a nickname. I just leave it blank and hit continue. And that's really all that you do. So the first time you do it, it'll ask you to allow your camera and your microphone. Right here is where you can get the meeting code that you send to people. That's just the link for it. And then you'll hit join now. And it gives you that code again. And then you're pretty much in. You'll see kids kind of start to pop in here. You'll hear that little bing. They can do a chat feature. When they're joined in, you can go in and actually mute them, which is a nice feature. Then here, present now takes over your screen so they see what's on your computer screen. When you see the banner at the bottom here, you can mute yourself, you can mute your camera. That's where you hang up your phone call. I also, if there's a little three dots here, it's kind of, I don't know if you can see it or not. I record the meetings so that I can post the videos of them for people who weren't at the meeting. And then when you're done, you just hit leave call, and then you'll get an email, and you'll see in your Google Drive the meeting that you had. So then you can actually, yeah, it's a great image. I then put the link to the video also in my my stream for my classes so that they can watch the video if they weren't able to be there. It's pretty easy. Kids, I noticed the 8th grade class didn't talk at all when we did it, and the 7th grade class were talking all over each other. So I think it just depends. Let me know if you have any other questions.